Yo, so today, my AC don't work. But anyway, for today is like the DMV meets cookout. But I don't know if you can see, because I don't feel like adjusting this shit. Hey.
Either, I know you know the day on, but just fucking rock a sports bra and some shorts or some shit.
Oh, no. Oh, no. I was like, should I say it's like 100?
On the highway. Right past it. The old 280s.
I ain't even paying no attention. I do too.
You got the front.
Cut, shift, repeat. What the fuck?
Then check the back.
I want to learn this fucking stick. Oh shit. Hey, it's Team Honda, motherfucker.
Yeah.
You say how you get out. I'm just vlogging. That's all I'm doing.
That Furby was gone by the time we got on 195.
You said what?
They're searching a man's car over there.
Cause they fuckers. Yo, this shit is clean as hell. Dude, it was one at like the Cars and Coffee. Yo, I see this fucking tag everywhere. Yeah. That's yours? What? Oh yes, I like that. Stay humble. Gang gang. Hey. Fuck.
Around, put my right turn signal on and make a left. I don't know.
That's all. Vlog life.
He need that time.
She don't care.
Let it on.
Aluminum radiator. So that's aftermarket fan. So I got one big ass fan. This bigger than the damn radiator. And one small one.
I look like a creeper.
I saw that. She tried to kill me.
Huh?
She tried to kill me. Oh! Hey! I got that on video.
I gotta act like I'm tripping. Oh, wait, oh shit. Hey, we might have to move. Oh shit, the cop. It's like that.
This motherfucker.
Alright, so get back in. This car is so park police right there.
Oh shit, yeah.
This car is so small.
Oh, we can
I
gotta
realized
park
my
that.
phone was bro. The car is so small. I realized that my foot was actually touching it.
That's what she said. Oh, my bad, yo. I didn't see you. What? Fuck off. that low life. That's why I'm not fucking going low.
Hey, baby.
That's gonna be me. Where the hell did JBM dude go? Oh no, you did! This motherfucker's clean his car for like an hour. Okay, come on. Come on. Oh, I like that ass.
Donut, baby.
Hey, fuck. Yo, it's hot as fuck. Y'all feel so bad for anyone with air conditioner. Y'all need to hurry up and get humbly driven up off the ground so I can start helping people, bro. Like, cause like, especially days like this, if your air conditioner not working, especially if you have kids, bro.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.